Goat Andy. You know what the fuck going on, everybody? This is your boy the Goat Andy Czar, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe. So basically, guys, today I'm just gonna be updating you with regarding my 2 million funding with Monevis and how we're gonna be going about it to make sure that I get the max funding for Monevis. So basically, guys, without any further waste of time, we're just going around circles. Let's just dive deeper into it and get into the charts. Yes. So guys, here we go. So basically, you can see right now my dashboard. Here's my funded account with Monevis. As you could probably see, I actually just started trading it today, mainly because there's some things that happen. I'll just show you the trade right now. So as you can see, currently I'm up almost $4,000, which is 2% of $200,000. So what we're gonna do, as you can see right now on my phone right here, we are currently running the trade, and the trading idea was this. So basically, we want to hold until we hit take profit 1, which is an area of sensitivity based off of what we actually did. So guys, basically Monevis said, if I've been holding the highest hierarchy when it comes to their trading profit, right? So what happened was, if you can look at the screen right now, I was number one. The number one on the top is 5 payouts, as you can see right here. You see top 5. Number 5 is this guy, and number 4 is this guy, and then number 3, Michael. Number 2, I don't know how to spell this name, guys. It's not from here. And then number 1, it's me. So I've been holding the highest record for the past 2 months, ever since Monevis started. So what they've actually decided was they going to scale me up to 2 million, as long as in the next 2 months I keep on being consistent with professional risk and all of that. So now if we go on my account, hypothetically speaking, guys, you know how I trade. So possibly on a 200k challenge, I would have possibly opened about 5-6 lots and whatever. But because I'm trying to scale up to 2 million, I'm trading as little as possible, so that I know as soon as I get to the 2 million, I just want to make 1% to 2%, which is 1% on the 2 million. If we calculate it, so you're just going to say 1% multiplied by 2 million. That means I'll be making $20,000. And then if we say 2% multiplied by 2 million, that means I'll be making $40,000. And then if we convert this to South African rands, which is my country, this actually makes a lot of money, because let's see, you see USD, $40,000. That's almost 800,000 in South Africa. And let's hypothetically say we made $45,000. That's actually 800k. And then let's say we made $50,000. That's actually approximately $1 million rands. So that is my biggest target, guys. I want to be funded with the max capital with them, so that it's easier just for me just to make 1% or 2%, so that I don't really target like bigger targets like making 10% and all of that. Right now, this is only the 2% I got. This is only the scale up plan I just recently signed with Monevis, of which, guys, it is only on A-Book. I'm actually trading on A-Book because I've kept the consistency for the past 2 months, and I've held the highest record on payouts. So that is why I was given an option to actually now scale up my account. So I'm gonna be doing this docu-series with you guys. I'm going to be analyzing every trade I make, which is a focus of making 1 to 2% on my account, so that in the next 2 months we would have hit the max capital of actually 2 million, which is the max scaling plan. How it's going to work, every month I'm going to be scaled up with the double price. So right now, month end of this month, which is June, I'm going to be scaled up to 500,000. And then month end of July, I'm probably going to be scaled up with another 500,000, which is going to be now $1 million. And then month end of August, I'm now going to be scaled up with 2 million. So they actually scale up 100% of every amount that I've actually made. Or if traded properly, I could be scaled up faster, which will be now putting me into a capital of this month. I could be scaled to 1 million. Next month, that could be scaled to 1.5 or 2 million as well. So it can take 2 months depending how professionally I trade and all of that. So the guys, I'm going to be sharing every trade with you guys and everything that I'll be doing until we reach that 2 million in funding. So now let's jump into this first trade we took today. So as you can see, guys, this is gold, right? So what happened with gold is currently on a consolidation market. If you look at it, what's happening right here, what happened right here is almost similar to what's happening right here. Currently, we're just waiting for a similar movement that the market created here in order to respect this price right here. So also you can see from here, it has to at least break a structure that's similarly from here. So you can see also if we can break this structure, that's to pierce a bit up until there before we actually get those drops that we could get from that level point. And what's making me say this looks proper as a setup, and why did I take my buys on this trade? So what actually happened is I looked at the market and I realized we have a high momentum towards the downside in this level, right? Of which this current level, this is our 1 hour time frame. There was a huge impulse to the downside when it comes to this, and now the current market is correcting towards the upside. So we are correcting mainly because we're trying to respect the gaps that we left right here. At the end, the market would never drop drastically again without at least creating some certain prices over respect over here. It's similarly to what happened right here. As I said, guys, price action always repeats itself. That's how dumb it is. It always repeats itself. If I put price right here, you would realize on the fair value gap we had right here, prices really came to tap onto them and then drop. It's similar to what's going to happen right here. Prices going to go up, tap right here, and then give us those little bit of structures and then start moving down. But that's not just it. I realize I have to focus more on the buying momentums. As you can look right here, the first entry of buys could have been taken as soon as the market got to this level point right here, right? Because this was a value gap. So if we take back prices using our reversal tool, you would realize, okay, let's cut the price again. Let's cut the price again. As you can see right here, what's happening, I would have been like, okay, we had an impulse. We had 3 candlesticks saying we are selling. So this is a right high to say we can confirm this is the highest high in order to be able to rectify where the fair value gap is and where will the lowest low be. So right here, the fair value gap was here. And then if we take prices forward, you could see just the tap into price right here could have made you now be entered into the trade, and the trade pushed up until it reached that overall set target right there. Or it didn't actually reach, so it reached the half of that as well. So now what made me take the current trade that I have right now, let me show you what happened, guys. So as you can see, currently we have an impulse right here, and this is acting as a correction towards the downside. And then I was waiting for the market to actually push up towards the upside from there. And then this is the current market price that's actually happening right now. So what made me take this trade? Already this is invalidated. It's done. It's a trade that's done. So I actually took my Fibonacci retracement from here until that level point. And then you could actually see from this level point, this was a significant entry that I actually took. And it actually made sense. So now I think we have actually drew down with our trade, as we were on $3,000. As you can see, the market reversed quite drastically. Let's check on the 5 minutes time frame. You can actually see what's going on right now, but I'm still targeting that area at the top right there, which is my overall significant target. So from there, I'll just see how the market reacts. But at the end of the day, it respected my fair value gap area. So from the next candlestick that's going to open, I know for sure we're possibly going to now start trickling towards the upside until we respect that level target right there, and then we look at what the market is going to be doing from that point. So basically, guys, that's how I'm going to be scaled up with Monevis entirely. That's how I'm going to be scaled up with Monevis. But just to make sure that, guys, you are informed about what's happening, we're going to go on new challenges. So you could see this is now what's going on. Prices, as you can see, all of these are the prices. And then what I'm going to do to you guys is that getting funded is pretty much easier. Now we have added what do they call this, add-ons, whereby you can choose a 100k account, and then you can choose your leverage to be increased. Right here you can choose an increased profit split, because the current profit split is 75% to actually you keep 75% of your profit. And then the profit, again, it's splitted every 14 days, but if you want weekly payouts, you have to at least do the add-on right here. And then go on Discord, guys. There might be a discount that might be going on right there. Click the link on my description to join the Discord. So that's how I'm gonna be maxed capitalized with Monevis, with 2 million max capital, by actually just being consistent, showing my quality skills, and that's it. So guys, I'm gonna keep this going with you guys. As you could see, we already done our first trade, which was gold. And then with the trades I'm gonna be taking as well, you guys are gonna be seeing them blunt. Currently we are in gold. I took this gold setup going up. I'm just gonna be doing that. So much love, peace and happiness. This is your boy the GOAT, and these are, yes sir. Sir.